Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the notification sounds in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure to log in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this dashboard in your app. Now, in order to change the notification sounds, you need to go to the settings. Here you can see the menu option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In this menu page, you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now that you are in the settings, here you can see alert sounds option. Tap on it. And here you can find the list of sounds that you can use for your notification. You can go through the list and choose your preferred sound. You can tap on it and it will be set as your notification sound. And that's it, you will receive your next notification with this sound. So that's how you can change your notification sounds in TradingView. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.